In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can check saved Google passwords. First of all, just open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. If you have more than one Google account, click on it over here and tap on the preferable one. Now click on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Lastly, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check, in my case Facebook one. Enter your current screen lock and click on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!